So you guys, this is the Airbnb we stayed in for the month of December through December 5th to January 5th. And we are heading to our next Airbnb here in Atlanta. We just woke up, not like, I want to say about an hour ago. We woke up around 8:30, it's 9:31. We have to be checked out by 10. I want to give you guys a quick tour of the Airbnb. Like I said, we're checking out of it. So it's not as clean as it would have been when we initially got here. But I just want to show you guys how it looks, the sizing of it. It's a studio apartment in a duplex. So it's basically in the basement of a house, and the other part of the house is in a separate listing. The host's name is Lauren. She is super sweet, very communicative. Yeah, it was pretty easy being here, besides the fact that there was always kids yelling and playing and having a good time. We could really hear them most nights, but it wasn't terrible. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through. I'll post both of the listings in case people are interested for the either the studio or the entire 3-bedroom 2-bath situation. It's very, very family oriented for the rest of the house, for the rest of the home, because they have like twin size beds, bunk beds, and they even have a crib, I think, in there, and they have games and stuff for the kids. So yeah, it was booming. It was It's 9:32, so I'm gonna head in there now because we have to be out by 10. I'll insert a clip of how it looks at nighttime. This is the backyard area. It's like very safe, very cozy. I don't ever see anybody walking back here, to be honest, especially because it's been so cold and rainy while we've been staying here, and this house is up there on the hill. But yeah, it's very nice at night just to chill out here, even during the daytime when it's not freezing. Hey Siri, pause the music. So when you walk in, this is the entry. You enter through the back when you rent out the studio Airbnb. You have full-size fridge. We still have our cereal up there. We either need to throw that away or pack it with us, and wipes, of course. And then you over here, you have your cooking space. They have like a portable cookware. It was advertised as if they had a stove, like a full stove, but this is what you get, child. It's not a full stove. And it's like weight censored, so you have to have a specific pot, which they provided for us, but there was only one that you could use to cook with. You know, made it do what it do. It worked out. But she actually brought us other pans. I think I hit the button. She actually brought us other pans after I requested. I'm not sure where it cut off at, but yeah, this is the portable stove that they have advertised for their Airbnb. Yeah, then you have, you know, your usual plates, containers, coffee, tea, cabinetry, there's stuff stored, microwave, of course, and don't mind our dishes. Like I said, we're leaving, we're packing everything up, so we've been living here for a month. And then over here we have the table, the eating area. We spent most of our time eating over on the couch, which I'll show you in front of the TV. But yeah, dinner rolls. Shout out to Hawaiian King rolls. Yeah, there's a lamp. I just moved it over here because I was doing something yesterday. But yeah, there's a table. You can move it from over there. You can move it out there if you wanted to. You can move it further into the middle. My favorite part is actually the fireplace right here. It's so cool. You can change the setting of it. I really want one of these in my house. You can change the setting of it. It provides heat also. The colors change. It's just very cute. It's a vibe, as you can see. The colors are changing right now. Oh, almost fell. So cool. So cool. And then the TV here, of course, you need that. It swivels. It swivels. And then there is the chair. It's a what is it called? The ones that fold down into a bed. A futon. It's like a click-clack futon. Let me make sure I didn't grab my phone before we leave. And then the bathroom, which I'm not gonna show you guys too much of that. It's a regular bathroom. You can see from here the shower's there. We have towels on the floor. It's not the cleanliness right now. It's a sink, a mirror, the basics. And then of course the bed. I'm gonna insert a picture here so you can see how it looks. I'll insert pictures of all the views of what's posted on their Airbnb page and how it actually looks. That way you guys can have your own comparison to what it looks like and if you're really getting what you paid for. I think it was pretty affordable. There's a closet here that you can use. We used it. We stored our clothing in there on the rack. But this is like a mutual area which wasn't posted on the Airbnbs. Not mutual. It's like a common area. So the people who are upstairs can actually access through this door. So if you're not okay with leaving your things in here, don't do that. But this is how you get to the washer and dryer, which is in the garage. I'll show you guys. So you have to come through here. This will be your neighbors up there. I don't know if you guys can see the door, but I just turned the light on in the garage, and then you enter through here. What time is it? Enter through here to come wash your items. So both guests upstairs and downstairs use this area. I never bumped into anybody while using the wash and dryer while we were staying here. But there was a time where one of the other guests had clothes in the dryer, and I just waited for them to come take it out. I didn't go bother them or anything. You know, just wait. Wasn't hurting anybody to wait. So, yeah, especially with COVID, you know, you don't want to be touching everybody's things. And I tried to wipe off as much as I could with anything that I did touch or anything that I knew somebody else would be touching. Because, like I said, I didn't know from the post. Let me turn the camera around. I didn't know, personally, I don't think I read that we will be sharing certain areas, but I knew that we would be sharing, like, the house, as in we would have separate areas, like a duplex, but I thought we would have, like, our own space completely. But we definitely share the wash and dryer in this area. So, yeah. And that's that. And that is the end of my Airbnb tour in Atlanta, Georgia. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy holidays, happy new year, happy Merry Christmas, whatever you celebrate. See you guys in my next video. Bye.